Hi everyone. Welcome back to another home tour. Today we bring to you stunning single-story home built for 20 lakh. It is a modern single-floor house design with an eye-catching model. This home is located in Thavannurat, Kerala. Designer has taken very effort to make the exterior a fabulous one. Each area where he has touched his hands is made into an amazing one. Sit out has a good space, we can arrange more chairs for seating. Sit out leads to living cum dining area. This is the washing area where a small and beautiful basin is placed. This is a common bath. Moving to the bedroom section, 3 bedrooms are arranged here. Moving to the first bedroom, we see a simple and spacious room. Also an attached bathroom is available here. Checking the second bedroom, we see the same almost to the previous one with attached bath. Exploring the stair with steel railing, it leads to open terrace. It is the last bedroom, same almost as other two. moving on to the kitchen, we see a spacious and neatly arranged kitchen. More storage spaces are arranged here also. Kitchen leads to work area. Fire space is arranged here. Summarizing this one, we got a modern, elegant residential home in a trending design. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell button.